everyone in. Time for the fun to begin. Come along with us to Zoobilee Zoo. Zoobilee Zoo. Magic and wonder are waiting for you. It's as close as a dream and as bright as the brightest blue. Welcome to Zoobilee Zoo. Let's introduce the Zoobles to you. I'm Mayor Ben. I'm here to lend a helping hand. I'm Phil the Beaver. I am the things on command. There's daring and adventure when lookout comes to call.
And a kangaroo named Woodley who puts music to it all.
My name is Ben Go. Just color me fun, and you will shout bravo once the show has begun.
Everyone, spread the news. There'll be so much to see and do. Just see or do.
When you're in Zoobilee, Zoobilee Zoo, Zoobilee Zoo, magic and wonder are waiting for you. So come on with us now and discover the wonder of you. Welcome to Zoobilee Zoo.
Oh, hi, Zoobaroos. Say, you know the Zoobles are so excited today because they get a chance to do a puppet show for you. You do know what a puppet show is, don't you? You don't? Well, I'll show you. That's not a puppet. This is Lookout and Bubbles.
Hi, Mayor Ben.
Yeah, hello, Lookout.
What are we doing here?
I'm terribly sorry.
Oh.
Bye.
So long.
I make a mistake. Well, today's show is about a mistake that Bravo makes because he doesn't listen to the other Zoobles when they make suggestions. Well, you know, people always, sometimes they make mistakes. It happens.
Now let us see. What sort of play would be suitable for my tremendous talents? Let's see.
How about an adventure play, Bravo? Bravo?
I know, we could do an adventure play. But what could the story be?
How about the story of Peer Gynt, the brave young boy who saves his sweetheart from the Hall of the Mountain King?
Wait a minute. It's coming to me.
Yeah.
We could do the story of Peer Gynt, that brave young lad who rescued his sweetheart from the Hall of the Mountain King.
Bravo. I just said that, Bravo.
I'm sorry. Were you talking to me?
Bravo? You never listen to anything I say.
I never what?
Ah, that fox! He drives me nuts! Ah!
Oh, Peer Gynt! Oh, what a great idea!
Oh, Bravo! Look what I found!
Oh, well, if it isn't my old two Punch and Judy puppets. I haven't seen them in a long time.
Oh, could you show me how they work, Bravo?
Well, I don't know. I suppose I could take a little time out of my busy schedule. All right, now, let's see. Zooble ladies and Zooble men. Or in this case, Zooble. Presenting those two feisty friends, Punch and Judy. Oh, Judy! Judy! Here I am, Punch. Oh, hi, Judy. Ow! Watch where you swing that thing. Okay.
Oh.
That time I was watching. Oh, you make me mad. Take that. Ow! Ow! You take that. You take this. Ah! Ow! You take that.
Stop it! Gosh, that's fun, Bravo, but why are they always fighting and hurting each other? Don't they ever get along?
Oh, they never get along, was that? Never. You see, this is the way Punch and Judy have been performed for 100 years or more.
Oh.
And besides, they never complain.
Gosh. I have a zooberific idea, Bravo. Why don't you do a puppet show out for your next production?
Oh, well, I'm sorry, was that? But I've already decided to do the Adventures of Peer Gynt.
But...
Oh, and you know what? I want you to do the music.
Oh, I already know the music of to Peer Gynt is da 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 da. I have an even better idea. Why don't we do a puppet show of Peer Gynt?
Oh, no, I'm sorry. Peer Gynt has never been done as a puppet show, was that? And I'm not about to change things now. So run along, run along.
Okay. Gee, it was just a suggestion. Boy.
Oh, Peer Gynt. Da 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 da. All right, attention, Zoobles. Zoobles, come over here. Come on, Bill, Van Gogh, come on. Now, Bill, I want you to stand there and say your line. All right?
Okay.
Now, good. Ready? Action.
I wonder where the Snow Queen is.
No, Bill, I want you to say it like this. I wonder where the Snow Queen is. All right? That's a Norwegian accent.
If you say so, Bravo. I wonder where the Snow Queen is.
Is.
Bravo, you're spitting.
Oh, sorry. All right, now, Van Gogh, you come over here, and you stand right there, and you say, now, do this with your hand, all right? And Van Gogh, you do the same thing with your hand. Put your hand right like that, and now you say your lines.
I wonder where the Snow Queen is, too.
Yeah, all right, that's good, that's good. That's enough for today. Now, remember, I want you to go home and practice your Norwegian accents, all right?
All right. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Bill.
Adios, amigos.
Yeah.
Boy, what's that? That's real nice music you're playing.
Oh, it's so beautiful. What is it?
Oh, I thank you. Well, it's a melody from Peer Gynt, Bravo's new play. Yes, he always asks me to write the music to his plays, but he never listens to any of my ideas. See, I wanted to do a musical puppet show.
Boy, a musical puppet show, that'd be a fantastic idea, was that? We could all make our own puppets.
Yeah, I can make the puppet stage.
Well, we'd have fun making our own puppets.
Yeah.
But what show would we do?
Well, we could still do Peer Gynt. Oh, this is so exciting.
No, wait a minute, everybody. I already asked Bravo, and he said no.
That fox is so stubborn.
Yeah, he never listens to our ideas.
Now, just a minute, everybody. We have to admit that Bravo's plays always are very good. And after all, you know, he is the boss, so he does get the last word.
The first word, the last word, and all the words in between.
It does sound like Bravo.
It does, doesn't it?
La la la, la la la. Oh, look, my two tiny actors. Hello, Punch.
Hello, Bravo.
Where's
Judy. I want to play with Judy. Oh, Judy. Judy. Judy, Judy, Judy.
Here I am, Punch. Take that.
Ow. Hey, Judy, look over there.
Where?
There. Ow. Yeah, well, I want to play basketball. I want to play baseball. Basketball. Ow. 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 Ow.
Oh, my. Puppets are so much fun. They're a lot of fun. So easy to work with. And they never talk back, like certain other Zoobles that I know. Oh, maybe I should have been a puppeteer. That would have been a very interesting profession. They never talk back. Do whatever you want. Oh. well, tomorrow's a busy day. I better get some rest. Puppets. Well, good night.
Good night. Good night.
My own puppet theater.
Presents, with special guest appearance by Bravo Fox. Ladies and gentlemen, Zoobles of all ages, introducing that madcap master of merriment, Bravo Fox.
Hey, what about us? Yeah, what about us?
Oh, yes, and of course, Punch and Judy. I would like to recite the poem, Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Hey, Bravo, where's Judy? How should I know where Judy is? She's your friend. Oh, there she is. Where? There. Ow! Hey, will you cut that out? That's not the way we rehearsed it.
Oh, hi! Punch! Punch! Oh, hi, Bravo. If you see Punch, will you give him something for me?
What? This? Ow! Stop that. Cut that out.
Cut what out? This?
Ow! Yeah, cut that out.
Oh, hey, Punch! Bravo doesn't like it if I do this.
Ow! I certainly don't.
Oh, really? How about if I do this?
Ow! No, I don't like that either. Stop it, both of you. Hey, Punch, old friend. What's going on? I thought you were my friend. Why don't you listen to me?
Yeah, well, you never listen to us. Remember that suggestion that was out had? A musical puppet show. But did you listen? No!
Ow! Oh, stop it. Stop it.
Yeah, you never listen. Never listen.
Never listen. Never listen.
I never listen. Ow! I never listen. I never listen. I never listen. I never listen. Never. Oh. Oh my. Oh, what a terrible dream. I must have eaten something that disagreed with me. Disagreed with me? It must have hated me. Oh, get away, you two. You puppets. Oh, you know something? I'm a fool. You were right. A musical puppet show. That's a great idea. I never listened to anyone else, but I'm going to change. Wazat had a marvelous idea. A musical puppet show starring Bravo Fox. I'm glad I'm glad Wazat thought of it. Well, nighty-night.
All right, attention, Zoobles. Attention, Zoobles, please. I have an announcement to make. First of all, I have decided that I should take Wazat's excellent suggestion and do a musical puppet show. Yes. Now, I need your advice on how we should go about doing it. Ideas, anyone?
Bravo! Are you feeling all right?
Never better, Talkitude. Never better.
Oh, good.
Oh, well then, Bravo. We were all thinking that we could all make our own puppets and I could paint them.
Oh, well, that's a splendid idea. Splendid. So what are we waiting for? Let's get... I mean, if that's all right with everyone else. Also, I'd like to say that I'm sorry for not listening to any of your ideas sooner. Can you ever forgive me?
Of course we will, Bravo, but what made you change your mind?
Well, let us just say that the thought hit me in the middle of the night. I'm sorry. Did I hurt you? I'm terrible. Thank you.
Ladies and Zooblemen, it is my extreme pleasure to present to you for the first time on this stage a puppet show, a musical extravaganza entitled Peer Gynt. Written by Talkatoo Cockatoo. Here we go. With music by Was That Kangaroo. With sets built by Bill the Beaver.
Yay, Bill!
And painted by Van Gogh Lion.
You fixed it, bravo!
And starring the Zoobilee puppets. Also directed by Bravo Fox.
Yay! Bravo, we're all set now, okay?
Oh, all right. And now, the Zoobilee Zoo puppeteers proudly present the musical version of The Adventures of Peer Gynt. Get down, everybody get down. Peer Gynt.
She was taken to the king, the mountain king. She was taken to the hall of the mountain king.
We are trolls, yes we are, yes we are, yes we are. We are trolls, yes we are, and we'll get this young boy.
He must leave this mountain soon, mountain soon, mountain soon. He must leave this mountain soon before the king arrives.
You are in my mountain hall, mountain hall, mountain hall. You are in my mountain hall, what are you doing here?
I am Peer Gynt, where's my girl, where's my girl, where's my girl? The Snow Queen has taken her to your mountain hall.
You must leave this place right now, place right now, place right now. You must leave this place right now before the king is mad.
It's too late cause now I'm mad, now I'm mad, now I'm mad. It's too late cause now I'm mad, so you get out of here.
Catch me if you think you can, think you can, think you can. Catch me if you think you can, you mean and nasty king. Ha! Whoa, 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 ha! Oh, 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 ha! Oh, ha, ha, whoa!
Good show, Bravo.
He means good to show, Bravo.
Oh, don't remind me. Well, we sure had a lot of fun, didn't we?
Oh, yeah.
And you know something? I'm glad I finally woke up and took your advice, all of you.
Good. Well, don't worry about it, Bravo. All of us make mistakes sometimes.
Well, I wouldn't exactly call it a mistake.
Oh, yeah? We would! Hi, Bravo! How you
Well, Zoobaroos, Bravo finally found out that most things are better off when everybody's idea is considered. Say, I have an idea for you. Why don't you put on your own puppet shows? Yes, using your toys. Yes, your toys. It'll be so much fun. See you soon, Zoobaroos.
Zoobilee Zoo, Zoobilee Zoo. Magic and wonder are waiting for you. It's as close as a dream, and as bright